Good day YouTube. I got a lot of questions about a video I uploaded about a month ago where I unboxed my Casio AE-1200WHL-5AV, also known unofficially as the Casio Royale. Some questions are about the quality of the leather strap and how the quality keeps up after taking it on and off each day. Other questions are about what watch I had before, and I also received questions about whether I like this watch over the original one, the AE-1200WHL-5AV with the metal band, which I also owned some time ago. So I thought it would be nice to do some kind of review after owning the watch just over a month now. Please note, I'm not really a reviewer kind of YouTuber, but I like to share some insights of my experience here. Let's start with the leather strap. Me personally, I like the looks of it. Combined with a bronze-like color on the case, it has a classy feel to it. I wear the watch every day and take it off twice a day. And here you can see how the strap quality looks like after a month of wearing. Overall, it looks like a classic watch, and you can see people looking at the watch thinking, what kind of watch is that? Not understanding the classic strap and case color combined with the digital dials. I don't use all functions on the watch. Mostly I use the stopwatch to track time, but also last week I was in a different time zone. And using the time zone function is super easy and efficient. Just one push of a button and your time is in the different zone. You can also set 5 alarms. I'm not using any of these because I use my smartphone alarm to wake up each morning. In a bit I will show you the watch that I used to wear. In comparison, this Casio Royale wears very light. You can't feel the strap around your wrist, and the case is so light you just don't notice it. I wear it pretty loose on the wrist, and for me that means on the 4th hole, and that is why you can see the leather being used here. This is my old watch I used to wear before, the Casio G-Shock GMW B5000D1ER. I need to get this one fixed. The problem is that one of the closing links is broken and I need to get this part replaced. But I am unable to find the correct part number, and I hope you guys can help me with this. Comparing the two watches, the first thing I notice right away is the weight of this watch compared to the leather strap Casio Royale. The G-Shock is way heavier than the Royale. I believe 180 grams in comparison to the 40 grams of the Royale. Second thing I noticed right away is the quality of the LCD dials. The G-Shock quality is way higher, but this also compares to the price. Then the question about the watch compared to the metal strapped one, the AE-1200WHL-5AV. Which one do I like more? That's a difficult question because basically they are the same watches, and I think that the question is more about wearing a watch with a leather strap in comparison to wearing a watch with a metal band. Some people just like wearing a watch with a leather strap over wearing one with a metal band, others the other way around. From a practical point of view, I believe the metal one is better. You can go underwater, work out with it, shower with it. You don't have to worry about rain or dirt, etc. But talking about the looks, the leather strapped one is a looker. It is something people have not seen before, a really beautiful, unique piece. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. When you have questions, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you.